Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again. Another quick Blender tutorial for you, and today we're going to be looking at using materials, allocating materials onto our unwrapped UV unwrapped object. So let's get started with that. First of all, we need to be in object mode. I've selected the cube, and I'm just going to show you that actually I'm currently in Eevee. It doesn't really matter if you're in Eevee or Cycles. I'm going to change that up to Cycles. That will become important later when we actually want to bake the materials onto the UV map. Now, I've already UV mapped this cube. If I show you that, if I go into edit mode, you can see that I've got the faces here. The cubes are already UV mapped. So let's just swap that back to the properties. So now we need to go into our materials editor to create our new materials, and in my case I'm going to create a couple of new materials. You can see we've got the material slot at the top. It's already got a default material applied to it. I'm going to rename that. I'm just going to call it red, and we'll make this a nice red colour. So you can select the colour picker, go down to red, assign it, and you can now see, if I go up to my rendering viewport shading, you can see that the cube's gone a red colour. So let's say I want to add another colour to that. I want to make some of these faces a different colour. Then we can just go back to object mode, because the materials are a property of the object. So we can click on the plus, say new materials created. In this case we'll call this one blue, and click in the colour selection, give it a nice blue colour, and you can see that's reflected in the colour in the materials. And then we want to assign some of those colours to the different faces of the cube. So back into edit mode, select some of the faces, maybe we'll do that one and that one, click on the colour you want to assign and just say assign. And if we go back to object mode, we can see that that's assigned those colours to the cube. Right, so I hope you found that helpful today, and keep your eyes peeled on the Blender channels for more Blender tutorials. Thank you very much for watching, and take care. See you next time.